Easy Lift Equipment ER roll manipulators are the safe and ergonomic solution for clamping, transporting, and rotating rolls in a wide range of roll handling applications. All ER models are available with a variety of clamps for handling rolls from 8 to 48 inches in diameter and weighing up to 1,200 pounds, contingent on equipment configuration. This model features a counterbalance base frame to provide additional forward reach, which is ideal for many roll applications. The DC-powered model shown here has an RCR1324 clamp for handling rolls from 13 to 24 inches in diameter. The roll clamp is equipped with 16-inch high clamping pads to securely clamp a wide range of roll materials. The larger clamping pads are designed to distribute the clamping pressure exerted on the roll to help reduce the potential for damage. 8-inch high clamping pads are also available for smaller height roll materials. Standard clamping pads are comprised of SBR rubber to provide a durable yet secure non-marking surface to grip a roll. For more sensitive roll materials such as plastic films, the clamping force can be regulated with the adjustable clamping pressure option. A small roll adapter is also available for reducing the clamping range by 5 inches, enabling the operator to handle a roll as small as 8 inches in diameter. The adapter is comprised of one curved section with white non-marking rubber vulcanized to the metal curve. Before operating your roll manipulator, it is important to read the manuals and become familiar with the proper operations. Prior to using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines, fittings, battery, and electrical cords to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, turn the unit off, tag it out of commission, and contact a supervisor immediately. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all control functions are in proper working order. All controls are located on the top of the DC cabinet for easy accessibility to the operator, including switches for lifting and lowering, a continuous 360-degree endless side rotation either left or right, as well as clamp open and clamp close. The DC cabinet also includes a red safety switch for the clamp function to help prevent the accidental release of an elevated load. These units are designed to provide an ergonomic solution for companies to load and unload converting or printing equipment. When approaching a roll, press the lift switch up or down so the clamp is in line with the vertical center of the roll. Open the clamp and carefully push the equipment forward to clamp the roll. It is recommended to apply slight forward motion when closing the clamp, so the operator-facing side of the roll makes solid contact with the rear clamping pad, ensuring a secure grip. Raise the roll by pressing the up switch. Only lift the roll to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting it to its destination. Dark or ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. For many businesses, this requires the operator to clamp and lift rolls from a vertical position on pallets, transport the roll to converting equipment, and finally rotate the roll to a horizontal orientation for loading onto the equipment. The clamp rotates 360 degrees endlessly at a controlled speed, either left or right. Always engage the step-down foot floor lock prior to walking away from the equipment. Failure to do so could result in property damage or serious personal injury. Insert the mandrel into the roll's core. Disengage the foot floor lock, and utilizing the control functions, place the roll onto the converting equipment. Roll manipulators come standard in a safety yellow powder coating for durability, but are also available in FDA-compliant metallic gray powder coating, as well as full 304 stainless steel construction. FDA and stainless steel construction include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and rotation chains. When charging is required, ensure the roll manipulator is turned off. The internal charger uses a standard 120-volt outlet on the side of the DC cabinet. A polarized heavy-gauge extension cord is required, which connects the unit to a wall outlet. This roll manipulator has our DC-powered lift system, which includes two 12-volt AGM deep-cycle batteries, which are housed in a closable cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, master disconnect switch, and a gauge-type battery discharge indicator. Do not operate the unit while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so could cause damage to the unit. Charging times range between 6 and 8 hours. The charger has separate indicators for each battery which turn green once complete to ensure a full charge. Once the equipment is fully charged, unplug the extension cord, turn the equipment on, and disengage the foot floor lock to begin application. However, for multi-shift operations or high-volume applications, Easy Lift equipment now offers an exchangeable battery option. Unlike the standard DC cabinet, the exchangeable battery DC cabinet does not include an internal charger, but instead features two Anderson SB175 connectors mounted within the DC box as seen here. This allows the operator to easily disconnect two low-charge batteries and replace them with two fully charged batteries in under 2 minutes. This option is available at time of order either with or without a charging stand. The RCR1324 clamp is also available with a small roll adapter, which is designed to reduce the clamping range by 5 inches, enabling the operator to handle a roll as small as 8 inches in diameter. Installation of the RCR1324 small roll adapter requires first placing the clamp at a comfortable height and opening the clamping jaws. Then, by aligning the mounting holes of the adapter to the 4 pre-drilled holes on the clamp weldment. Once aligned, insert the stainless steel retaining pins and secure them into place with the 2 circle cotter pins, as seen here. The adapter is comprised of one curved section with white non-marking rubber vulcanized to the metal curve. The clamp seen here has 16-inch high clamping pads. The small roll adapter is also available with an RCR1324 with 8-inch high clamping pads. An adjustable clamping pressure option is also available, which permits the operator to lower the factory preset clamping pressure exerted on the roll. This is ideal for more sensitive roll materials or films. Roll manipulators are also capable of clamping and removing completed roll materials from printing presses for loading onto pallets for shipment to customers. Roll manipulators are available with optional scales for intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas for weighing a roll or performing inventory. Select indicators can be hardwired to printers or configured to wirelessly transmit to PLCs. When finished, you should always place your roll manipulator in a safe location. Lower and close the clamp. Engage the foot floor lock and turn the unit off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your roll handling project, please contact us today.